Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni Kol Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association kalap diang sobhai ka rai jeng sarkar jilla ban pelai lenti ki kendon jeng dei ba ki ma qualify ying nagabenta ki Nonghikai ki berang tray in service ki batmu bani khoni ka Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test MTET 8,800 Ka association ka balam khmadu president u Aristotle Rymbui kalapan pawi ka jing sngongo ya menteri katnat puliputhi u Lahkmen Rymbui halor ka jing menjori ka ni ka jing dawa ka blas lemba chong ki Nonghikai SSA hakaleng ka jila Kargum ka jing thu jing ka association ka sarkar kala ai jing pelai tha arbenta ki ba kongsan ha ki kendon jing dei eligibility criteria ba ki ma qualifying ki kendon ki ba thamai kin sha ki Nonghikai SSA ki barang trai Ki ba mensha kim pat biang ki kendon ban apply ki kam balai house name arajar arpri. Shushu ki ma qualify ying na ka benta ki Nonghikai ki berang tray la penhian na kan 100% khandai pho na ka chis pa khan san pho shakumba 100 marks kablamut kumba khasan person ka jing pelai. Ka association kala ong bagani ka sunjam kan pensuk shibu ni ki Nonghikai ki blas lembha ki ap ya kalar ka bahok ban yo qualify o Rymbui lo ong bai gani kamat lawan ra ka jingyalang berkatnat puli puthi ha unai lor bat unai wing jeng usnem baladem ha ka ba menteri ula kular ba ka sarkar kan shim ka benta ka ba karshan kani karai menta ka pen I ka jing pendap ya ka jing ya kular bat kala urlang ula ong ula benrap ru bagani ka jing pelat kan yarap ya bun ba ki Nonghikai khamtam ki tu ki baladuna ban kot shaki kendon ki bating e mensha wat hapeng ki snem babon jong ka jing shakri wala ompat la ban kedau thik ya ga jingdon jong ki bayo jing yaram henoi ka association kala kedau ba kani ka rai kalong ka sunjam ka ba bha ka jing yakun ban penbe iki jing e jong ki Nonghikai SSA hamikhalaya ka association kala batai ru ba kani ka sunjam kalong kam ka jing ai mensim ya ki Nonghikai ki brang trai bar ka Kmen ba kum kini ki sunjam jing yarap kendang beteng ha ki por ban ban
for giving the approval to relax the eligibility criteria for in-service teachers to apply for the MTET 2026. That is number one. And number two is to relax the qualifying marks for in-service teachers. Just to bring to your kind notice, recently in the month of September and November, we had a meeting with the Honorable Education Minister, and at that point of time, he have assured us that the government will stand with the in-service teachers. And today we have witnessed that what we have discussed in September and November, today we have witnessed that it has come into a reality. So just to inform to all our SSA teachers in particular and all the in-service teachers in the state of Meghalaya in general, the eligibility criteria for all in-service teachers is the service, not the eligibility criteria as mentioned for pre-service teachers. And the qualifying marks is will be 68 instead of 90 out of 150 for in-service teachers.
Age relaxation, you say?
No, it's not an age relaxation. It is a relaxation pertaining to the eligibility criteria to apply for MTET 2026, number one. And number two is the relaxation of qualifying marks. Just to bring to your kind notice, actually the qualifying marks is 90. Means it is 60% for all the aspiring candidates who wish to appear for the MTET exam. But the MDA government under the leadership of Sir Lahkmen Rymbui have relaxed for in-service teachers with 15% relaxation for in-service teachers.
And when does notification out?
The notification have already out probably last week.
18 months.
Yeah, last week, 18 March, yes, 18 March. As of now, we don't have the exact record with us. So from SSA teachers, actually the number is not that much. But from for with other categories, we don't have any idea about it.